Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy. I am your science teacher, Ms. Farheen, and I welcome you all to your science class. My dear students, as you know that we are on chapter number 10 and the name of our chapter is Technology in Everyday Life. So my dear students, in today's lecture, the students will be able to make different shapes out of Play-Doh like cylinder, cone and prism. Previous lecture में हमने क्या-क्या सीखा था? Let's quickly recap it. So my dear students, quickly answer the question that what is called cube? A cube is a 3D square. Very good. So how to make square and cube with clay? So by taking out a chunk or a piece of Play-Doh, you can roll it into your hands and you can smooth its creases by shaping it out into a sphere. And by again, how you can turn a sphere into a cube? By tapping it on a flat surface from every side. That's how you can make out a cube. Okay, my dear students, so in today's lecture, the students will be able to design models of prism, cylinder and cone with clay or Play-Doh. So we have already done sphere and cube. Today we are going to design the models of prism, cylinder and cone. So my dear students, let's get started with the pre-reading question. So quickly tell me that this is a cylinder, this is a 3D shape. Then this is a cone, एक triangle जो है उसको जो है 3D form में जो है वो बनाया गया है. And then comes a cube. ठीक है, ये भी बहुत different face जो है triangles के होते हैं. These all are different 3D shapes. So do you know what is cylinder and what is cone and prism? So my dear students, क्या आप इन shapes को already जानते हैं कि एक cone क्या होती है? अक्सर अगर आपने एक birthday hat देखा हो तो नीचे से वो सर्कुलर होता है और टॉप पे से जाके it becomes a triangle और all around जो है it is in a circle. Then a 3D triangular shape is a prism. So इस तरीके से these are all different 3D shapes जिनको आज हम Play-Doh से create करेंगे. Okay, my dear students, so now is the time for reading. Quickly open page number 129 in your Science 4 books, chapter number 10. I hope everybody has opened the page. So now let's start the reading. Put your fingers where I will read. So today we are going to make cylinders. So these are the different points that you have to follow. Make a clay ball with a smooth surface. Press the clay ball a little while holding it in your hands. It will get elongated at its sides. Roll it back and forth against a flat surface to make it a little longer. Rolling at this stage also make it smooth. What you need to do is tap both ends and against the flat surface to give your cylinder a perfect look. Continue the rolling and pressing at its upper and lower end. This will balance the shape of your cylinder. The cylinder is ready. So my dear students, this is the cylinder and how you can make it out of the Play-Doh. Let's get started. So सबसे पहले again you will start making a sphere. So you will take out the ball, piece of Play-Doh. मैं इसमें से half Play-Doh लूँगी. And first of all, you will create a sphere out of it. Okay? अब आपने इसको हाथ में इस तरीके से पकड़ना है. तो आप ये देखें कि ये slightly लंबा हो जाएगा. ठीक है? अब आपने इसको टेबल पे इस तरीके से रोल करना है. रोल करने के बाद आप इसकी बॉटम को इस तरीके से टैप करेंगे. ठीक है? Then the other side also. Again roll it a little bit ताकि तमाम जो इसकी edges हैं वो smooth हो जाए और इस तरीके से आप एक जो है अपना cylinder जो है वो create कर सकते हैं. So this is a cylindrical shape. Okay? Okay, so first shape is done. Now let's move forward towards the next shape. So next is cone. So how we can make a cone? Let's quickly follow the steps. So make a cylinder out of the clay of almost 1 inch diameter. One end will be the base and the one end will serve as a pointed end. To get the flat base, tap its one end several times against the flat surface. To attain a cone shape, roll and press the sides of the cone of the other end several times until it turns into a cone as shown in figure 10.6D. So this is how you will make a cone. और इस cone को भी हम sphere से start करेंगे, cylinder create करेंगे उसका और फिर जो है okay. Now I will take another part of the Play-Doh और now I will start making a sapphire out of it. Then I will make a cylinder by rolling it on the table. Okay, then now one will be the base and the other will be the pointed end. और इस तरीके से आप इसको शेप कर सकते हैं. ओके, अगेन रोल इट अ लिटिल बिट, सो जो आपकी एजेस हैं वो स्मूथ हो जाएंगी. जब आप रोल करेंगे तो साथ ही नीचे से बेस को आपने दोबारा जो है वो टैप करना है. सो दिस इज अ परफेक्ट कोन शेप. So second shape is also ready. Keep on pausing the video in between and keep on making your shapes by following all the steps that I am performing here. Okay, now pause the video and quickly make your cone shape. I hope everybody has done it. Now let's quickly move forward towards the next shape, that is a prism. So how we can make a prism, how we can design it. Prism is a three-dimensional shape. 3 rectangular faces and 2 triangular faces are parallel. Its base is rectangular. So my dear students, prism जो है, it is a mixture of 2 shapes, that is rectangle and triangle. तो किस तरीके से है हम बना सकते हैं. Make a cylinder out of clay, press it a little against a smooth surface to give it a base. Then press the opposite side of the base to make a conical shape. Tap both ends several times to make fine ends. Remove gaps and irregularities using ruler while tapping. So prism is ready. Your prism will more likely be as shown in picture 10.6e. So this is how you will make your prism. Okay, my dear students, again first we will make a sapphire and then we will make a cylinder. So here I will be needing some Play-Doh. Okay. So what I will do now is I will take a part of this Play-Doh and what I will do is I will form a sapphire first. Now I will make a cylinder. ठीक है, सिलेंडर भी हमने बनाना सीख लिया था. इस तरीके से हम एक सिलेंडर बनाएंगे. ये एक सिलेंड्रिकल शेप बन गई. अब मैं इसकी बेस जो है उसको टैप करती जाऊंगी इस तरीके से और जो इसकी एजेस हैं उनको मैं स्मूथ करूंगी. इस तरीके से एजेस को आपने स्मूथ करते जाना है. यू कैन यूज योर हैंड्स, यू कैन यूज अ स्केल. Like this. I will take a part off. ठीक है, क्योंकि it has become very much elongated. आपको छोटी सफ़ेयर बनानी है, बहुत बड़ी सफ़ेयर नहीं बनानी. ठीक है, इस तरीके से आपकी जो प्रिज्म है with the corners ये रेडी हो जाएगा. And it is almost ready. It's a bit tricky, लेकिन by giving it some time and precision आप इसको attain कर सकते हैं. Okay, so this is your prism shape. ठीक है, is it clear to everybody? Okay, so pause the video and make your cube, cone and your prism. Okay, my dear students, so now let's quickly move forward. So after using your Play-Doh, आपने तमाम Play-Doh को again you have to seal it properly, so आपका Play-Doh जो है वो dry out ना हो and it can be reused. Okay, now let's quickly move forward towards the evaluation. But before the evaluation, supervised activity, टीचर ने ग्रुप्स में बच्चों को डिवाइड करके हर ग्रुप को जो है वो Play-Doh या क्ले जो है प्रोवाइड करनी है ताकि बच्चे जो है डिफरेंट जो शेप्स हैं उनको डिज़ाइन करके मोल्ड कर सकें. आई होप जिन बच्चों ने मेरे साथ वीडियो को वॉच किया है उन्होंने मेरे साथ जो है ये तमाम एक्टिविटीज़ कंप्लीट की होंगी. So now let's quickly move forward towards the evaluation. So my dear students, what is a prism? A prism is a 3D shape. What is a cylinder and cone? These are also 3D shapes. How to make a Play-Doh cylinder? So by making out a sphere and then rolling it on the table and flattening out the both ends by tapping them, you can make a cylinder. Okay, my dear students, so now is the time for practice. For practice, you can download this worksheet from the description box below this video, or you can get it in print from by your teacher. Write down your name and the roll number and then start doing the worksheet. So my dear students, what is the difference between cylinder and cone? एक cone में और cylinder में क्या फ़र्क होता है? Cylinder की जो दोनों ends होते हैं, top and bottom, both are flat, whereas cone has one pointed end. What is a prism? A prism is a 3D shape, a mixture of triangles and rectangles. So what draw a shape of cylinder, cone and prism? तो यहाँ आपको तीनों shapes जो है prism, cylinder and cone, आपको तीनों shapes जो है वो draw करनी है. So next is to make a cylinder from Play-Doh. How to make it? So you can take help from the book and write the points that we followed or the steps that we followed in making out a cylinder from the Play-Doh. How to make cone and prism from the cylinder? Again, you can use your book to complete the answer. Pause the video and quickly finish it. I hope everybody has done it. Now let's quickly move forward towards the homework. For homework, you will do question number 3, cone and cylinder. Page number 140, you will do this question in your notebooks and make your own model of cylinder, cone and prism with Play-Doh at home. So by using your Play-Doh at home, you have to make different models जो कि अभी हमने बनाए थे. तीनों shapes को आपने घर में भी practice करना है. So my dear students, in today's lecture, we have another technique of making different shapes out of the Play-Doh. और इस technique को आपने बहुत enjoy किया होगा. Keep everybody around you safe. Have a good day. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.